Hello ladies and gentlemen, all of you welcome. New Adana style, opened kebab recipe. 1,300 grams of lamb meat. Lamb back leg or rib meat is used. 3 red peppers. 3 green peppers. Garlic. Parsley. Hot red pepper. Rock salt. Coarse ground black pepper. To put on the edge of the plate, onion, tomato, green pepper, red pepper, French fries and bread slices. This special large kebab knife is used to prepare meat. Baking paper. Wire rack for barbecue. Square tray to serve. Barbecue. Pieces of oak wood for cooking. Before preparing the butcher, the hard portions were separated and the meat was frozen a little. It is easier to chop frozen meat. Delicious and a little oily, I can say baby lamb meat. First chop the meat into thin slices. After slicing lamb meat thinly, chop finely with a kebab knife. You may think it is troublesome, you can prepare it with a machine. These kebabs are made in this way in Turkey. This meat will be enough for 5-6 people on average. A little knead the lamb meat, such as coarse minced meat. Now vegetables will be prepared. Remove the kernels of red and green peppers. Peel the garlic, 5 will be enough. Finely chop the peppers, crush the garlic. With the kebab knife, peppers and garlic are cut and prepared thinly. Finely chopped peppers are kept ready. We'll go through another process. Follow. Parsley will be chopped without stalks. Need to squeeze the chopped peppers. Meat flavor of kebab should be more dominant. Prepare it to be completely dehydrated. Preparation of materials is about to end. Add salt and spices, mix. Blend a little bit more with the butcher knife. If the ground beef remains unbroken as it seems, the process is okay. Let's see how many grams of kebabs there are. 1,500 grams in total. Prepare baking paper. Kebab is added on the paper and opened at the length of the grill. Opened kebab name comes from here. Prepare it to be the same size as the grill. You can make a thinner kebab. My kebab is 1.5 kilograms. Cut 1 inch of baking paper. Hold it with paper and lift the kebab, and place it on the grill. After preparing the fire, this will be turned over and the paper will be removed. Oak wood must be very dry for easy burning. You can easily burn with egg paper and thin pieces of wood. Cook the peppers before cooking the kebab. When the fire is ready, turn the kebab and remove the paper from the bottom. If you do this early, kebab may stick to the grill wires. This kebab can be made with plain meat, but it looks more colorful and beautiful in this way. Barbecue fire is ready. Make sure the fire is equal everywhere. Add the kebab on the barbecue and cook. Prepare the ingredients for the plate while cooking kebabs. Prepare tomatoes and green peppers. Slices of bread to add under the kebab. Prepare onion salad. Finely chop the onion and parsley. Add sumac and mix. Materials to decorate the kebab were prepared. Kebab cooking stage. When the kebab is about to cook, prepare the serving tray. By the way, there is a very cold and snowy weather outside. Fill the ingredients in the square tray with no gaps. Adana style new trend opened kebab was cooked. This kebab was prepared with natural method and cooked with wood fire. I think it is delicious. Immediately cut a slice and taste it. The taste of lamb meat is already very good, definitely try this. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. See you in a new video, goodbye.